Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Mazin. Good afternoon, everyone.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Amina Zahra. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good. So we know that now we are gathered here for completing our
Homeworks.
homeworks. So you should maximum utilize this time.
Ma'am, we have homework in maths.
Okay, okay. So do it that one.
Today, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, what about Azel and
Ma'am, we
Aini?
have to do it now, the homeworks.
Yeah, you have to complete your homeworks.
Okay.
Okay. Azil and Ruba, Tanas, everyone should turn on your camera. Yes, Tanas. Good. Great. Aini, Ruba, Zaituna, Azil.
Yeah.
Yeah, are you there?
Yeah.
Turn on your camera and complete your works.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Aini. Good afternoon.
What is?
Yes,
Let me
Tanas.
check what homework I have.
Okay, okay. First, you should check your homework and complete that. Ruba, Zaituna.
What is this club base?
Yeah, this is homework club. Which means those who are
Homework.
have the completing pending works. Yeah, you should complete your pending works. Those who are have the pending work, they can complete their assignments. Okay. So this is your homework club. So everyone should maximum utilize this time.
Ma'am, I don't have maths homework.
I also don't have max homework.
I have English homework.
Yeah, so that you can do that.
English
What about
homework.
Zaituna?
Let me check.
Yeah.
English.
First, see, everyone should check your class works and not
Yeah,
only the
yeah.
today's homeworks, the previous week's homeworks. If you have assignments of previous weeks, you can do that also.
Okay.
Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students. Hi, Amna.
Hi, ma'am. I
Yeah.
test digital.
No need to complete that one.
I
No need.
messaged you digital
No need to complete one. Just avoided that one.
during one
Okay.
test.
No need to
Oh,
complete that works.
okay, okay.
Okay. Amna. Yeah. Do you know about this club?
What,
Yeah.
ma'am?
Do you know about this club? This is our homework club. Okay. So if you have any pending works, you can do that one. Okay. You don't have any pending works. All works are completed, Amna.
Yes.
Not only today's, but also the previous weeks also. If you
Ma'am,
have
I
any.
have English homework.
Yeah,
Check,
do it.
ma'am.
Yeah, just check it, your works.
Okay, ma'am. I don't have.
Ask one by one.
Ma'am, what is background competition?
Yeah, that was a
Ma'am,
competition. Yeah, that's not necessary to do that activity, Tanas. That was a competition. Okay, so you can avoid that also. Just leave it that.
now what was the
No
competition?
need
Ma'am,
to.
I
That is a competition.
don't have
Okay.
anything. What was the competition,
Yeah,
ma'am?
Amna, you don't have any pending works. Okay.
Oh, ma'am,
So
I have anything.
keep silence here, please.
What is the what was the competition? Ma'am, so what
Uh,
we need to do, ma'am?
just a minute. Wait. Amna, yes, tell me.
I
You
don't
don't
have any
you
work
don't
to
have
do.
any works to do. All works are completed. Okay,
Yes.
isn't it? Are you sure?
I checked it.
You checked that one?
Yes.
Okay. Others, please mute, please, please. I'm talking with Amna.
Background competition.
Yeah, that is a competition. That's not necessary to complete. Okay, if you have any interest to do that, participate in that competition, you can participate. Okay, that's not necessary homework.
I don't have interest in doing it, ma'am. Ma'am, can I
Yeah,
leave? Ma'am,
yeah.
can I?
So they can, yeah, those who have completed the all pending works, they can leave from here. So I think Amna can leave.
One thing?
Yes, Amna. Now it's clear, Tanas. You just check your homeworks, you check your classworks. Amna. Yeah, Ruba. Yeah.
Can I show? Ma'am, I don't have any to do. Can I
Ru-
show one thing, ma'am?
yes, yeah, you can show Ruba.
Ma'am, I already done homework, ma'am.
Are you
See,
sure, Tanas?
ma'am.
Okay, then you can leave, Tanas.
Ma'am, I'm not asking that.
You
I
can.
don't have any homework. I don't have any homework. In missing earlier, I have two, but I haven't learned these things. It's Yeah, actually, Urba was having 24. Like I haven't learned these things, and I don't know why.
Is that a homework, Ruba?
Yeah.
Yeah, then you can do that.
Yeah, but I don't know. We haven't studied that.
Yeah, study that one. So,
Mom, I don't
I
have.
think that was an orientation class homework, isn't it?
Mom, that's the last
Yeah.
class. That was in G2. Mom, Zaira and Aliha will send you the link.
Okay.
Ma'am, I will show you the tutorial. I'll share my screen.
First,
Yeah,
you
I'm
turn
sending.
on your camera, Aini,
For
firstly.
use. Okay, please join. Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't have any homework pending except the background.
Accept the background. Then you can leave. Okay, no
Ma'am,
problem.
can I leave? I don't have anything to your homework. Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, can I also leave? I don't have any homework. I finished them.
All finished?
Yeah.
Just a minute.
Have any homework.
One second. Yeah, I just asked you to your subject teacher. 1 second. Everyone saying that we don't have homework all completed. I know. I'm not sure about this. I'm not. I'm not talking about this only science, Arav. The all the previous works. Yes, sir.
I don't have any other subjects homework. I only
Okay.
have this one.
You do that one.
I finished it.
You finished that? Okay. Oh, then you can leave. Those who have completed the works, they can leave, no problem. But make sure that you completed all your works. Okay. Otherwise, I will inform the class teacher or the vice principal also. Don't lie with me. If you have any pending works, please do it ASAP. Okay.
I have one.
Yeah, do that, Aini. Mute your mic and complete.
I will finish that.
Yeah, you finish that one. Okay.
Bye.
No need. No, don't go here. Don't leave from here. Do in this class time, Aini. You told me that you have one work, isn't it? Am I right? So do it that one. Do it now.
Homework. Ma'am, I don't have homeworks.
You don't have Alima homeworks?
Rafa,
All works are completed?
how much homework do we have?
Rafa, can you help her?
Ma'am,
Rafa?
I'm new in the class.
Yeah, I know that.
Zara,
But
how much homework do we have to do?
Zaira?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, yeah.
Done, ma'am.
So Aliha, she's our new student. So welcome to the Mage Hybrid School, Aliha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, this is our homework club. Okay, this time we will complete our all pending works. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I forgot how much homework I
You
have.
forgot that. Yeah, your friends will help explain it about that. Zaira, do you know? Mazin?
Yes. Ma'am,
Yeah, she's asking about the homeworks. Can you help her?
Uh, Part 4A. Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, my homework is done.
your homework is done. Okay, good. Can you explain the homeworks to Aliha, Mazin?
But she's not
Which are
studying in our class.
she's no. Oh my God, sorry. Aliha, she's in the grade 4, isn't it?
Grade 4A.
Grade 4A. I
Rafa,
think
how much
Rafa, can you
homework
help
do
her,
we have?
Rafa? Yeah.
Actually, ma'am told her that new student doesn't have work today.
Oh, okay. So,
Ma'am, can I go?
so no,
I'm
no
done
need
the
to.
maths only. I'm done the maths work, so can I leave?
Yeah, then you can leave. The old works, no need to complete. Okay, the
Ma'am,
new
can I
students.
leave? Ma'am, I
It's
also
better to, yeah, they
completed
can leave. Alima, you can also leave. Aliha also leave. Yeah, good.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yeah, Mazin.
My ma'am. Yes.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Ma'am, I did my all work.
Rafa, are you sure?
It's not me, ma'am.
Oh, who said that?
Me.
Hawa. Yeah, you also new student, isn't it, Hawa?
Yeah,
So you
but
can
I
leave.
finished it.
Okay, okay, good, 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 Hawa. You can leave.
And
Zaituna, Amina, turn on your camera first.
Competition. I don't want to do background competition.
Okay, no problem. You can skip that one, no problem.
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes. Tell me, Rafa.
can I go? I finished. I'll show you. It's not me,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah, I thought it was you.
Every time you're thinking
Every
that.
time I thought it was Rafa. Yes. So, this is only one. Oh,
This is the one.
so you uploaded the work, Aini?
Now I have to upload it now.
Yeah, you do it that also.
I'm doing my homework.
Okay, after completing your works, you can leave. No problem. Okay. Yes.
So after I submit it, can I leave?
Yeah, after submitting, you can leave.
Okay, Hi, Rupa. This is not a photo. Okay, now let me see. Can I also leave? Yeah, who told you to stay here? This is a photo.
Yeah, you can leave, Ruba. You all work are completed, Ruba. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes,
before
Zaira.
you ask, she leaves.
ma'am.
Yes, Zaira.
I saying that I have nothing.
Let me check.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Missing all classes.
And see missing?
Ah, yes.
Alia, ma'am.
Yes, Zaira.
And See, I have done
Yeah,
this.
Zaira also new student.
See, I
Yeah, you don't have any works to complete, Zaira. Yes. Okay, you can leave. Let's
am
wo-
leaving, okay?
Okay, Rafa. Yes, you can leave. What is that, Zaira? Yeah, your max works is over, Zaira.
Yeah.
Yeah, you uploaded there, Zaira.
Uploading, I think when my parents come, I'll upload it.
Okay, okay. So you need parents' help, isn't it?
Ma'am haven't put it in the classroom. It
Okay.
was today's homework actually.
Yeah. But she completed that one. So after coming your mother, you will upload there. Okay. Don't forget to do that. So they can, after this, you can leave. Yeah, you can leave.
After this,
Refer you also leave.
ma'am, can I leave?
What about the uploading? Is it over or not?
No, my mother has to take a photo.
Oh yeah, take a photo, please.
After I take a photo, can I leave?
After uploading, you can leave.
Loading it. I can leave.
Why asking, can I leave? Can I leave? Do that all works. Mm. What about Amina Zahra? Do you have any works to complete, Amina?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm going to do it.
Yeah, do that one. Okay.
I have
The,
English homework.
yeah. Your camera is off, Zaituna. Please on that.
Turn on
Where
my
is
camera.
Azil? Are you there? Azil? Azil, are you there?
He's not there, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you hear me, Azil? Azil?
I think he goes somewhere.
Ma'am, I finished my homework.
You finished the all works. What about the maths today's homework?
I don't have maths homework.
You don't have maths?
No, I have English.
Oh, you done that one?
What?
You finished that homework, Azil, the English?
Yeah.
So you can leave, no problem.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Minazara, what is in English 1.1 homework?
Which one? I'm also doing English.
English 1.1 homework. In that, what do I have to write?
Into characters.
Okay.
Oh, I got the second one. Yeah. Did you got anything? No, I'm not done. I have two more. See?
Aini, are you here? Aini? Aini, can you hear me? Aini? Aini, can you hear me? I think you're not here. Aini?
Ma'am, I'm done.
You're
Should I
done?
show?
No need to show that. Just upload there. Because
Okay,
I
ma'am.
know that you
Should I
completed that
upload
one.
now itself?
Yeah, uploading is now itself. That's better.
Okay, ma'am. Then 1 minute.
Okay. Yeah, okay. What about Zaituna?
Almost.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, can I leave?
You uploaded the works, Zaira?
No, ma'am. I will upload it.
Okay. Now you can leave.
Ma'am, did you say anything?
Which one? Yeah, the same homeworks you upload in the concerned class group.
Okay, ma'am.
And those are the work doing in the workbook.
Ma'am, I uploaded.
Yeah, great, great. Good, Zaira. Zahra. Inshallah, Mina Zahra, you can leave now. Thank you, dear.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Love you.
Bye. Love you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
അതെങ്ങനെയാണെന്നാണ് കാണിക്കുന്നത്. സാധാരണ എല്ലാവരും ഒരു ടിപ്പ് ഓക്കെയാണ് ഒരേ സമയം നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പൊ ഞാനിവിടെ 400 ഗ്രാമിലെ 2 ടിക്കാണ് എടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഇത് കവർ ചെയ്യാം. കുക്കറിലെ വെള്ളത്തിൽ നന്നായിട്ട് പൊങ്ങിക്കണം. ഇനി അത് മാത്രമല്ല, ഈ 2 ടിന്നിന്റെയും മുകളിൽ നമ്മുടെ ഈ കൈവിരലിന്റെ ഇത്രയും നീളത്തിൽ വെള്ളം ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. അപ്പൊ അത്രയും വെള്ളം ഇതിന്റെ മുകളിൽ ഒഴിച്ചു കൊടുക്കാനും പ്രത്യേകം ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം. ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഇത് കവർ ചെയ്യാം. അതിനുശേഷം നമുക്ക് ഇത് ചെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങാം. ആദ്യം കുക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഫ്ലെയിം ഓൺ ആക്കിയ ശേഷം ഗ്യാസ് തന്നെ വെച്ച് കൊടുക്കാം. മീഡിയം ഫ്ലെയിമിൽ വേണം കുക്ക് ചെയ്തെടുക്കാനായിട്ട്. അതിനുശേഷം ലോ ഫ്ലെയിമിലേക്ക് വേണം കുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ. ഞാനിവിടെ ഒരു മീഡിയം ഫ്ലെയിമിലാണ് കുക്ക് ചെയ്തെടുക്കുന്നത്. ആദ്യം നമുക്ക് മീഡിയം ഫ്ലെയിമിൽ ഒരു വിസിൽ വരുന്നവരെ നോക്കാം. അതുവരെ നമുക്ക് വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഫുഡ് വെച്ചിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ഇതേപോലെ ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ കുക്കറിലെ വെള്ളം നന്നായിട്ട് ചൂടാറിയതിനു ശേഷം മാത്രം വിസിലെടുക്കാൻ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു കയ്യിലോട്ട് എടുക്കാൻ മതി. വേറെ കാര്യം, ഇത് പുറത്ത് വെച്ചതിന് ശേഷം നന്നായിട്ട് തണുത്തതിന് ശേഷം മാത്രം തുറക്കുക. ഞാനിവിടെ നന്നായിട്ട് തണുത്തതിന് ശേഷം മാത്രമാണ് തുറന്ന് വെക്കുന്നത്. യൂഷ്വലി ഒരു ഭയങ്കര ടാസ്ക് ആണല്ലേ. അപ്പൊ ഇത് ലൈറ്റ് കോഫി ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന മെത്തേഡാണ് കാണിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ഇതുപോലെ 4 ടേബിൾ സ്പൂൺ അങ്ങനെ പഞ്ചസാര ഇങ്ങനെ വിതറിയിട്ട് വെക്കില്ല നമ്മുടെ പാൻ്റെ എല്ലാ സൈഡിലും ആയിട്ട്. എന്നിട്ട് ഫ്ലെയിം കുറച്ച് വെച്ചിട്ട് പഞ്ചസാര ഒന്ന് നന്നായിട്ട് മെൽറ്റായി വരട്ടായിട്ട് ഇളക്കൊന്നും വേണ്ട. കുറച്ച് സമയം ഇങ്ങനെ തന്നെ ഇരിക്കട്ടെ. അത് ഇത് കാണുന്നത് നന്നായിട്ട് മൊത്തത്തിലോട്ട് നനവ് തട്ടി മൊത്തത്തിലോട്ട് മെൽറ്റായി തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് എന്നിട്ടൊരു ഗോൾഡൻ ബ്രൗൺ കളർ ആകുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമുക്ക് ഇതിലേക്കുള്ള ബാക്കി കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചേർത്ത് വെക്കുക. അങ്ങനെ നമ്മുടെ പഞ്ചസാര കണ്ടോ ഇതായിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ ഡാർക്ക് ഗോൾഡൻ ബ്രൗൺ കളറായിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇത്രയും മതി. ഇത് ഓവർ ആക്കാന്ന് കണ്ടോ. അപ്പൊ ഭയങ്കര ടേസ്റ്റ് കിട്ടും. അപ്പൊ ഇത്രയാകുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും ഇതിലേക്ക് 1/3 കപ്പ് വെള്ളത്തിൽ നമ്മുടെ കണ്ടൻസ് മിൽക്കാണ് ചേർത്ത് വെക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ കോഫി ഇത്രയും കേട്ടോ പരിപാടി. ഇനിയിപ്പോ നല്ലോണം ഇതുപോലെ ഒന്ന് മിക്സ് ആക്കി കൊടുത്ത് കോഫി റെഡി ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. സാധാരണ നമ്മൾ കുക്കറിലൊക്കെ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് എത്ര ടൈം വേണമല്ലോ സെയിം ടേസ്റ്റ് തന്നെയാണ് കേട്ടോ. ഇത് വ്യത്യാസമൊന്നുമില്ല. അപ്പൊ ഇതുപോലെ നന്നായിട്ട് അങ്ങ് മിക്സ് ആക്കിയതിനു ശേഷം എല്ലാവരും നല്ലപോലെ വേണതിന് ശേഷം ഫ്ലെയിം ഓഫ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പൊ ഈ ടൈമിൽ കിട്ടുന്ന നന്നായിട്ട് ചോദിക്കണം. കുറച്ച് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പെട്ടെന്ന് പണിക്കാറ്. അപ്പൊ ഇതുപോലെ മിക്സ് ആക്കിയതിനു ശേഷം നമ്മളായിട്ടുള്ള ഫ്ലെയിം കുറച്ചത് അതിലേക്ക് ഡയറക്റ്റ് മൊത്തത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ വെച്ച് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. അത് ഇതുപോലെ മൊത്തത്തിൽ വെച്ച് കൊടുക്കും.
Zaituna, time is almost over. Yeah, 5 minutes remaining. What about the works? We completed that one? Yeah, Zaituna, what about your works? Not completed?
No.
No. You need more time to complete, Zaituna?
Yeah.
Yes. So our time is almost over. We're going to over the time.
I could complete it.
Yeah, yeah, you just complete one here. Okay. Some
Okay.
my time is over. So please complete all the works and upload it.
Okay.
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 So bye, Zaituna.
You're leaving?
Yeah. Let's I'm removing from you. Okay.
Okay, then bye.
Yeah, do that work.
Okay, I'm doing.